If you are wasting your time by watching videos on YouTube and reading books, and you can't speak so better in English, then this video is only just for you. Because today in this video, I'm gonna share with you few tips and tricks. Two great useful tips and tricks that can literally help you to improve your communication skills as well as especially to improve your English speaking skills. My dear friends, I know very well that you all have been trying your best to speak English for a long time, like 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, even a year or 1.5 years. But did you get any kind of fluency of learning English? No. If it's so this video is only just for you. So without wasting our valuable time and without further ado, let's get started. My first tips and tricks for all of you guys, my dear friends and family, that practice every single day. Like if you're so much fluent in this language and you're really too much 100% perfect of this language, English, it's still you need to practice every single day because this is one of the languages if you don't practice, you'll lost permanently. Like this, that's why I'm so fluent in this language. I can speak in English so fluently and confidently in English to anything, anywhere. Also, I can make and I can think in English very easily. But it's still I'm making some blog video and also I'm practicing my spoken English because it's must for me. If I don't practice every single day, I'll forget this language. So that's why I always try to share with you there is no any kind of simple way, simple tips and tricks to improve your English speaking skills, to improve yourself in this language without practicing. So my first tips and tricks was like that. Practice every single day. Every single day. Don't make any kind of, you can say, gap in your English learning journey. It will really make you so boring as well as so disappointed regarding to this language. If you're still not getting any kind of fluency in this language, don't worry. One day you will get it very easily. My number second tips and tricks is for all of you guys that you are also taking specific time for practicing your spoken English. Don't do like that. Practice every single day. Because when we speak in our mother tongue, we are too much fluent in this language. Why we're so much fluent in this language? Because we are practicing and speaking every single day without taking any kind of fluency, any kind of particular time. So that's why if you really want to improve your English speaking skills, you have to speak English every single day without taking any kind of time. So thank you so much for watching this video till end, and please hit the bell icon and hit the follow button to get more like this. See you later on a new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a good day.